All right, traders, here we are on a Monday, the first trading day of 2026, Monday, January 5th. I consider this really the start of the new year because as we get back into the swing of things, there are traders that are now looking for opportunities. What we're looking at is the Sonic system. The Sonic trading system has these opportunities. If you're not using price action or a trading-based system using price action, you're really missing out. Every trade that you're seeing here, and you don't have to take all of them, they are almost all winning trades for today. You don't have to continue trading for those of you who already have the Sonic system. On the left-hand side, you're going to see the indicator, which is a news indicator we provide for free. If you don't have it, visit DayTradeToWin.com and get your free member account and download the news indicator as part of our free package for upcoming and new traders. More importantly, with price action, we see a few things, and we teach this. First, every opportunity and every signal is higher than the previous one. So that's really important. If you're thinking about going long, you should see signals that are considerably higher than the previous one. So you can see the most recent signal here is higher than the previous one. 69.50 is higher than 44.25, higher than 43.75, higher than 39.50. So you don't have to take all of these signals. Pick and choose the ones that make the most amount of sense, and after 4, 5, 6 trades, stop trading because you should already be ahead for the day. The idea is not to overtrade. The idea is to be consistent and to look at whether or not we've made money already and stop trading. Honestly, that's really what we want to do. All right, looking at the Sonic system, if you want a lifetime access to the Sonic system, the autopilot, the Atlas line, the trade scalper, the at the open, the blueprint, the roadmap, accelerated mentorship is the way to go. We include lifetime access, NinjaTrader and TradingView. And in addition, we have a current promotion for the new year, which is 20%. Remember, there are a lot of traders taking advantage of this promotion. It's going to end fairly quickly, so you should take advantage of this limited time offer of 20% off accelerated mentorship. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Take a look at the Sonic system and all our software, and I'll see everyone in class. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.